Hello friends, welcome to the Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASRock Radeon RX 7900XT Phantom Gaming White 20GB OC graphics card. So friends, this graphics card is powered by AMD Radeon RX 7900XT GPU and built on 5nm process. The new design pattern featuring a white color scheme is for enthusiasts seeking a white theme PC, and this graphics card has 84 compute unit and boasts 5376 processor with a boost clock of up to 2450 MHz and game clock of up to 2075 MHz. Comes with the 20GB of GDDR6 high-speed memory clock at 20 Gbps Effective and 80 MB of infinity cache, delivering 4K gaming at the highest settings. And this graphics card uses a triple fan Phantom Gaming 3x cooling system with the customized 100 by 100 by 100 strip ring fan, a deflecting fin, and ultra-fit heatpipe to provide superior cooling performance. ARGB LEDs that support Polychrome SYNC allow user to customize lightning effect, while the metal frame and backplate prevent the PCB from bending, and the super alloy graphics card component provides stability for long-term operation. With its great performance and rich features, it can fully satisfy the needs of gamers. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.